Okay team, to roll cut a pork loin, you start with a center cut pork loin and a sharp knife. Find a seam or make a cut about 1/3 of the way up the side. Then slowly make small slices across the loin while rolling it. Try to maintain the same size all along the cut until it's flat. Season and lay the goodness on. We will be showing you our fruit stuffing next time, so be sure to subscribe so you can make this awesome dish for yourself. Your family will love it. Then roll it back up. And make it pretty and tie it together with butcher's knots, which we will show you how to tie in a future video. Again, subscribe and be there! Now let's jump in and do it for real. In order to do a roulade, we need to roll cut this pork loin. Just make sure you have one that's decently sized, and then start where the seam is, or about 1/3 of the way up. Just gonna make a little cut here. Now it'll roll up nice and give us a lot of room with which to put the goodies in here. And to finish it off and prepare for the stuffing, go ahead and salt and pepper it. Kosher salt, if you please. And roll her up and put her in the fridge, ready for until the stuffing is ready to go inside.